going on the sunglasses. I'll cut you out. You're getting all the screen time. Yeah. Best show I've ever watched.
That's a lot, but close too, because it was like. For like
Town.
It's already in 2 of our magazines.
Strongly wrong.
You can be in the basement.
Like posting like vague Instagram
I'm
notes.
gonna make a camera phone Instagram.
No, it's funny. She's reminiscing.
This is the best thing.
Are you happy?
It tastes like Greek yogurt.
Oh wait, this is so good. I don't.
like a blaze. They dropped it off in their clothes.
That was so close.
Can I try yours?
This is insane. They're gonna think
Pan up to them taking the picture.
it's not local.
She's standing up. She said, I mean business.
Yeah. Want to get intermission, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movie, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call it finish the wall. You're mirroring on the wall. Fun on the mall. Girlfriend screaming on the wall. Cheese on the. Do we get off here?
No, but next song.
She's doing fucking pull-ups.
Actually insane.
Hi! Welcome to New York. Now you're being filmed.
Hi, world.
She's going through her wallet. Let's show the shirt.
No, my.
Well, I hate. Stop the Vogue summer school hate. I'm starting a movement.
She's protesting. We're waiting for the rest of our class. Oh.
Hi. Can we take a photo?
Here for dinner.
Oh my god, so let's wear that I told you shirt.
Oh my
Instagram.
Wait. I posted a TikTok.
Layla.
Genuinely, I've never felt so pretty in a TikTok the other day.
Stella.
Hi.
Guys, my phone.
Carly.
Hi.
Germany just got knocked out of the World Cup. And I saw the penalties at this freaking board. Hashtag community, hashtag go Paraguay.
Yeah, Paraguay.
Yeah, Paraguay! Woo!
Like.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's zooming in over.
She's the most. Hi. Wait, when you tell them the camera off, I'll tell you. Right? That banana was. I love banana.
Dude, the real one.
I'm sorry, but I'm thinking of the right thing to say. I know it don't sound the way I planned them. I know, I'm not period. None of the coolness. I didn't mean to film that.
Give me this.
I'm so fucking hot, and not in the way that's sexy and hot. I'm hot and like I'm. Oh, I know you said you're you, Carly. Hi, I'm Carly.
Also, just gonna eat like a rabbit.
When I'm gone.
You're gonna miss me when I'm.
You're gonna miss me when I'm walking. Take out my dog.
What happened?
When I'm gone.
Stella.
Hi.
Recurring character. She's really fun.